back at the Deer Lease. One last go before we start work Friday. Hoping we can put something in the dirt this evening. That way I can try my new flashlight out. Maybe get it on video, but you know how that goes. I'm not forgetting the GoPro today, so it's gonna happen though eventually, because I'm taking it with me every time. If I forget it, I'm going back and getting it. Can't believe I was that irresponsible. Actually, I can't, but anyway, because I'm a big kid. But yeah, we're back at the Deer Lease. It is 84 degrees this evening, really hot. Gonna be a lot of gnats and mosquitoes, so it's gonna be fun. And yeah, see if we can't get lucky and put one on the ground. Got a big old biggin out there. Maybe he'll slip up this evening. You'll never know unless you go in the woods, so that's what we about to do. Alright. Yeah. About to be pulling up at the camp here in a little bit. I just always walk from the camp. There ain't no sense in driving all the way to it. It makes a walk home a little nerve-wracking, because for some reason, like, I'm fine. I walk through any woods in the morning time, like before daylight, I'm good. But for some reason, the walk back in the evening time, knowing that it's not going to be daylight for, 12 hours or so, I just get the heebie-jeebies. And I'm telling you, stuff follows me out of them woods all the time. And I know it does. I just can't see it. So, I know I'm not the only one. Please just leave me a comment if I'm the only one that gets the heebie-jeebies walking out of the woods at night. But like I said, I'm perfectly fine in the morning times. I guess because I'm so pumped up about the morning hunt. But that evening hunt, knowing that, I don't know why it does that to me, but I literally get so freaking nervous on the way home. But not tonight, because y'all coming with me. I'm gonna make y'all walk. I'm gonna video all the way home. That way, if something gets me, it's on video. So, and if Bigfoot's behind me, we're gonna get him on video. So, y'all tag along with me. We're gonna get something today. Here we go. We're about to pull up at that rig. Yeah, I gotta fix that dang grater screwed up and stuff. Pop my dang shocks out of place. Kabunk, kabunk. And we're here, old son. Perch. Oh, drink a Mountain Dew. We just got to get the old spray on and get her done. Oh, come on. Whew, so dusty. I ain't even putting on my rubber boots, it's so dry. I'm just gonna change my shirt. And put my keys in my pocket. Y'all need to hang out right here for a second. You can talk to me while I'm doing this. Oh, it's so hot. I'm gonna be looking while I'm changing my shirt. Woo. I'm back. Got my clothes on. Dang, I forgot my new water bottle. Oh well. This is why I use this religiously. Some people says it works, some people don't. I think it works. I think it's just, I heard a study where it says it don't take your smell away. It makes the deer think that a human walked there like days ago, not like right off the bat. But it makes me feel confident whenever I put it on, so. Especially on hot days like this, I'll spray off again once I get to the stand. The best thing to do is a bonfire. That's the best thing to do. That day. I'll tell you, Bigfoot just hollered. And I got this because on your lease, you have to have a hunter's orange cap at least. Get the old thunder maker. Load him up. Yes, sir. Locked and loaded. Alright, let's see. I'm going to take my rangefinder just for educational purposes. How many of you guys use DRP on a regular basis? Setup trip, that's perfect. Perfect. Oh yeah. We got our stinky. Stinky. Oh. Almost lost the chip. God. Aerobics in the deer woods. It's all about how low you can go. Let's go get up in the storms around here really taking havoc on my stand. Then we had the Birdman stuff. I couldn't get in here until deer season. So it sucked. But anyway, we got our stinky stuff out. I mean, you never know where deer pee comes from. But I mean, I got 2 kids. I know where girls pee from. Their butts. Duh. Anyway, I think it's gonna be a good evening. So, I'm gonna get situated in this stand. Come back at you. Let's go see if we can find some blood. I was really nervous. I might have foobarred the shot because I was so freaking nervous. Let's I forgot to get my headlight. It's not dark yet, but I mean, times like that's when it's like, man, should I let him work? Alright, when we get down there, I'm gonna come back at you. Well, I don't know if you can see me, but we definitely got into it. I got some blood right here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, don't know if you can see me. Ooh, we got the beast. Ain't no Magnum, but hey, he's a trophy to me. That's some fine eating right there. That's like giant spikes on him. Huge spike. Probably another 105 pounder. So yeah, we're gonna wait on Uncle Norman to get here and yeah, load him up. I'll meet y'all at the house. Back at the skinning shed though. I got my trailing dog, Uncle Norman. Hey, Mimi's my biggest spectator. And we got some tenderloin to put on your new grill. Yep. So we'll show y'all some tenderloin cooking in a little bit. And now we're just gonna get all bloody, and cause all the fun part's over with. So we'll see y'all when it's time to eat. All right, there's the old tenderloin. Butterflied them out. Oh, looky there, looky there. Ain't got much to look at. It's dark. Let's get them hot. Get them hot, old son. Let them cook. Taking them off. Woo! Almost forgot about y'all. We got some pork steaks, some sausage, and there's them old loins. Them babies dead, son. They are done. So anyway, I know you can't see my face, but we finna eat good. We're gonna take them off, put some butter on there, and let them sit. Set him like that. We'll set that butter on there. Pooh, yeah. Just like that. Coming back. Got the good stuff. A little bit of butter. Oh yeah. So you're supposed to cook it like medium rare or rare, and put the butter on there, and then put aluminum foil over it, and then where the hell my piece of butter? Oh look, you fell right there. Put and that little bit of heat that's left on it, it'll melt that butter on there, and it'll turn it to medium rare. But we're not gonna do that. We've already cooked it to medium. So we're just gonna let it heat.
Guess I do we need more butter.
One more sliver, right? Perfect. Oh yeah, we ready. Hey, Mimi's a sous chef tonight. She's she's leaving me in charge, believe that or not. Oh, come back at you whenever it gets done resting. Go ahead and get us cutting off in that thing. Oh, we don't overcooked it. I don't know. I think that's about perfect. Let's see. That's good stuff. You got to go for a second bite because on TV, you only go for one bite. I'm sure it's nasty. This is good though. Oh yeah, that's what I like. Hey. Well, Norman, you want to try some? Pretty good? Mm-hmm. Well, alright. Well, that's it. So, we're gonna eat the rest of that, drink a couple beers, and go to bed. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and I'm gonna keep them coming, but I don't know how fast. As fast as I can kill a deer, I guess. See y'all later.